Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to add widgets to home screen in Android device. Let's go. Widgets are customizable home screen elements that display a clear and actionable view of an app's content or actions. This content can periodically refresh. Widgets help users complete their goals, either by interacting with your app's content directly in the widget or by opening your full app experience. First of all, swipe up like this. Here you will, that my phone is on apps, tap widgets from the top to see all the widgets available on your device. You can choose any widget that you like or that fulfills your requirements. I am choosing this weather widget. Now tap on the Add widget. Now it will be visible on your home screen. If you want to edit it, hold it for a few seconds, and here you will see Edit. Tap on it. Now you can choose any location that you like. Now select the location you want to see the temperature on home screen. Thus, you have successfully added a widget on your screen. Widgets from your home screen on an Android device. Widgets are small applications that can be placed on your home screen for quick access to information. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.